Listen, your parents want you to do MBA. बेटा MBA कर लो, life set हो जाएगी. Meanwhile, AI just deleted 650,000 Indian jobs in 1 year. And you walking straight into a trap. Listen carefully. Traditional B schools adding one AI course while the world's on fire. You spend 30 lakh rupees learning 2015 case studies. ChatGPT does it in 5 seconds. But here's what's crazy. While MBAs are dying, India's startup ecosystem is exploding. Remember China? 50 lakh millionaires in 25 years. 500 new millionaires every single day. Those weren't MBAs, they were builders. India's turn is now. You know Mrs. Tong Wen Hong? Joined Alibaba as a receptionist. Just a receptionist. Jack Ma had no money to pay. Gave her 2% equity instead. 12 years later, Alibaba IPO'd. Her stake? 2,500 crores rupees. From receptionist to crorepati. Not because of MBA degree, because she built something real. While MBA students were studying Alibaba in classrooms, one receptionist was living it and became richer than all of them combined. That's the game. Now look at India. New schools popping up, like Mesa in Bangalore. Harvard Kellogg guys said traditional MBA is broken and built something radical. 12 months. You don't study startups, you build them. Real products, real users. Faculty? 200 plus startup CXOs, not professors, doers. Students graduating with 26 lakh rupees packages at Amazon, Google, Meta. But more importantly, graduating with products they shipped, not PowerPoints. This isn't about Mesa. It's about a movement. Build. Don't just study. Execute. Don't just analyze. Ship. Don't just theorize. Here's the reality. 74% of Indians fear AI replacing them. Meanwhile, AI is adding $967 billion to our economy by 2035. You're either building with it or getting replaced by it. Traditional MBA teaches you to be a cog. Startups teach you to be a builder. India will create millions of jobs in next 5 years, not in MNC cubicles, in 50% teams building unicorns. Question is, where will you be? Stop following the herd into expensive degrees teaching yesterday's playbook. The future belongs to builders, shippers, hustlers. People like that Alibaba receptionist who took a bet when nobody else believed. Are you that person? Or are you playing it safe with a dying MBA while the world moves on? Think, choose, act.